I caught a tow truck company lying in court when the owner claimed he never had a cash-only policy. The judge's face when I pulled out my evidence was priceless. Last summer, my car disappeared from a strip mall parking lot after I spent exactly 22 minutes inside a phone repair shop. No warning signs, no call, just gone. After a panicked moment, I spotted a small sign with towing information in the far corner of the lot. When I called the number, a gruff voice told me it would be $275 to get my car back minus cash only. A-team down the street, he replied before hanging up. I had to Uber to an A-team, withdraw the maximum daily limit, then Uber to the tow yard in an industrial area 30 minutes away. The place looked sketchy, minus chain link fence, angry dogs, and a hand-painted plywood sign reading, cash only, no expectations, hanging above the payment window. When I asked for a receipt, the attendant scribbled on a carbon copy form itemizing charges that seemed completely random. $150 towing fee, $50 administrative processing, $25 lot entry fee, $25 after-hours service, it was 2 p.m., and $25 documentation fee. Something felt wrong, so when I got home, I researched our state's towing laws. Wad out they'd violated 3 specific regulations. They needed written authorization from the property owner for each tow. They were legally required to accept credit, debit cards. They could only charge reasonable fees defined by statute. I filed in small claims court the next day and documented everything. I returned to the tow yard twice more to take date-stamped photos of their cash-only sign. On court day, the tow company owner showed up in a flashy suit, clearly expecting to intimidate me. The judge asked him to explain the towing authorization process. Your Honor, we have a contract with the property, he said confidently. My cousin manages the strip mall. If he calls, we tow. Symbol legal done. The judge frowned slightly. And what about the plaintiff's claim that you refused to accept credit card payment? This is when the owner made his fatal mistake. That's an outright lie, Your Honor, he exclaimed, voice rising. We're a professional business. We take all major credit cards, Apple Pay, even Exity. This guy, he pointed at me, is just some deadbeat trying to get out of paying what he owes because he doesn't even have credit cards. I opened my wallet to show 4 credit cards, my debit card, and my digital payment apps. Then I pulled out my folder. Your Honor, I'd like to submit these time-stamped photographs of the cash only sign at the defendant's business, and the taken the day of the towing, and another taken yesterday. I also have the handwritten receipt showing the illegal fees and printouts of our state statutes highlighting the 3 violations. The owner's face went from confident to pale in seconds. The judge examined my evidence, then looked at the tow company owner with the kind of stare that makes grown men nervous. I was awarded triple damages plus court costs. As we left the courtroom, I heard the judge telling the owner, "We'll be discussing your cousin's arrangement with the property next. Sometimes justice just needs good documentation and a liar's overconfidence."